Good morning students. இப்போ ஃப்ராக்ஷனோட பேசிக்ஸ், ஃப்ராக்ஷன்னா என்ன, அது எப்படி எழுதணும், அதோட டெஃபினிஷன்ஸை இப்போ பார்க்க போனோம். ஃபஸ்ட் வி ஸ்டார்ட். In a mathematics, fraction as a fraction are defined as a part of whole. What is the meaning of the part of whole? Now I have a 4 pencil. I have a 4 pencils. One is missing. What is the fraction of missing pencil? Totally I have 4 pencils. I missed 1 pencil. So 1 by 4 is my missing pencil fraction. Now how many remaining I have? Same. Totally 4 pencils. I have to miss only 1. The balance is 3 by 4. So I have 3 by 4 part of pencil in my hands. It's a whole. A fraction is a part of. It's a part of the whole. Now the letter from fraction is Latin. It's a Latin word. Fraction. It's a Latin word that means broken. That means it's a broken. The fraction is also termed as a portion or section of any quantities. Any quantities. We have to using this symbol. That means dividable symbol, or somebody says say that slash. So how that it? So the missing pencil sum we have to think like that. So I have to miss 1 pencil by totally I have 4 pencils. So the by is reference as denoted by the symbol of fractions. So we have a 2 part. This is the upper part and this one is the lower part. The upper part is named it as numerator, and then lower part we name it as the denominator. What is the exactly definition of numerator? It is the upper part of a fraction that represent the sections of the fraction. Sections means we have to 4 section, 3 section, 2 section. How many we have? We have to write in the upper value. Denominators. It is the lower or bottom part that represent in the total part. Total part. Now I have a 4 pencil is a total thing. I have to miss 1 pencil. What is the remaining now? 4 minus 1, 3. How many I have the total? 4. So 3 by 4. 4 is the total part. I missing 1 pencil. So now I have that we have to using the fraction. How many balance I have? 3 by 4. So 4 is a total part, which the fraction is divided. Which the fraction is divided. This symbol, right? Similar to the real number and whole number, fractions also hold the important properties. So what are the properties have in that fraction? Commutative associative property hold true for fraction addition and then multiplication only, not in subtraction and division. The identity element of a fraction is 0 and factorial multiplication is 1. So addition is 0 and then multiplication means 1. The multiplicative inverse is a by b is b by a, where a and b are non-zeros. Non-zeros means so a and b we can't to choose equal to 0. So other than 0 we have to apply. Sometimes we have to a by b is a fraction 1 by 0 na, the term goes to infinity. That's why we don't to use 0 in the numerator as well as denominator. Fraction numbers obey the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Over addition. Now type of fractions. We know that the type of fractions is, so we know that proper fraction. Proper fraction means, so first we satisfy the proper fraction and then improper, mixed, like, unlike and equivalent. What is the definition of proper? The numerator is less than denominator. This is the important key to find out. So I give the example 8 by 9. 8 by 9. So denominator is greater than the numerator. or numerator is less than denominator. So these type of fraction is called proper fraction. Second one, improper. The numerator is the improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator happen to be the greater than the denominator. So the same one I have to write one more time, 9 by 8. 8 by 9 is a proper fraction, 9 by 8 is a improper fraction. The difference between numerator and denominator, numerator is less than denominator, na it is proper. Numerator is greater than denominator, na it is improper. The next one, mixed fraction, combinations of the integral part and a proper fraction, that is called as mixed number. So what is the meaning of combinations? So simply I give the one example, 9 by 8. So how many times of 8 in 9? Only one time, balance 1. So this is the combinations. Now after like factors and then unlike, denominators are same, we consider as a like factors. How? So I give that one example. The like fractions are those fractions are the name suggestions, they are like on same. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. If this is the upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator, already we know. If the denominator parts are same, so given these type of fractions, all of us called as like fractions. So what is the meaning of unlike? Simply denominators are not same, simply we have to follow denominators are not firm. So simply 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Now first denominator is 2, second one 4, 5, 6. These are all not same. So we name it as this is unlike. What is the equivalent? Two fractions are equivalent to each other if after simplification either or two factor is equal na to that one another, it's called equivalent fraction. So 2 by 4 and then 4 by 8 we compare. So we check that 1 times of 2, 2 times of 4, 1 fourths of 4, 2 fourths of 8. So different numbers, but if we cancel we get the both numbers are equal. This is left hand side also 1 by 2 and then right hand side also 1 by 2. These type of fraction is called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Now next one we have to check how to add, subtract and divide and then multiplication. Simply if the first number I have to get a by b and then second number is c by b. If the denominators are same, listen, if the denominators are same, just we have to add, we get the value. The value is a plus c by b. What is the next one? So if the denominator is same, na, this is like. So if the denominators are not same, what we do? Get LCM. First we get LCM, after we have to add. So get that LCM na, AD plus CB by BD. What about it? This is unlike. So we have to convert it as like. First addition, second subtraction, same. Denominators are same means we have to subtract directly numerator a minus c by b. The same a by b minus c by d. Denominators are not same mean get LCM and we subtract the numerator, get the value. So multiplication and division be difference. Whatever number they given for the multiplication. Simply only one format we cannot to find out the LCM. Direct to apply the multiplication. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. The answer is AC by BD. We can't to find out like or unlike. Directly to multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Second one, division. A by B by C by D they given listen, simply A by B divide C by D given. We have to change one time of reciprocal to the second term. A by B, D by C. Actually this is C by D. We transfer denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator, whatever number they given. Simply make one time reciprocal. After you have to change divide symbol into multiplication. Now directly to multiply A into D by B into C. We can't find out LCM. Directly to multiply. But addition and subtraction, if the given term is unlike, we convert like. But we can't to find out that division and multiplication for to find out the value of LCM. This is not compulsory for multiplication and division. Directly we have to find the answers. Thank you, students.